Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part one, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions, and you have to answer. Which day is your favorite day of the week?
Of course, sir, Sunday is the most favorite part of the week, the whole week. Sunday, to be precise.
Okay, this is very brief answer. You need to elaborate because on Sunday I don't go to the office. I'm home and I spend time with my family. Therefore, I like weekend very much. Something like that,
Sure,
okay?
sure, sir.
Let's go on. Which day is your least favorite day?
Monday is the least favorite day of my entire week because having enjoyed weekend with family and all the activities of picnicking, layers and sports and all that, on Monday, quite naturally, I feel a little sluggish.
Okay.
So
Do you like weekdays or weekend?
Predominantly, sir, I like weekend the most because you have plenty of room to do a variety of activities. That is why I like weekend the most.
Okay. What do you usually do on weekend?
On weekends, sir, I spend time with my family, friends, and kids. And to be very precise, on Sunday we have a plan of picnic with friends and family. And moreover, on Sunday we always love to play a cricket match with all of our neighbors and friends around.
Okay, that's good. This is better. Keep it up like this, okay?
Sure, sir.
If in actual exam, examiner says at the end of your answer, examiner says why, it means you gave short answer.
Sure, sir.
And if examiner stops you and asks you the next question, that means answer was long, and that's pretty normal.
Right,
There is
sir.
no negativity about it,
Right,
okay?
sir.
Yes,
Got it.
let's go on with you. Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I really love rainy days because during the rainy days in summers, you go out and enjoy those rainy days. It makes you more comfortable and energetic.
Okay, does it rain a lot in your hometown?
Not normally, it does not rain a lot in my hometown because it is a city and there is not rain in a
It
lot.
does not rain
It
a
does not
lot
rain
in
a
my
lot.
hometown. Well, you're repeating the same question into answer, and then your vocabulary is also limited. It does not rain a lot in my hometown. Rain, lot, hometown. Okay, so you need to change this to a variety of words and all that. Okay, would you like to live in a place that is dry or wet?
Well, I prefer to live in a place that is dry because in wet place there is very difficult to
It
manage.
is very difficult to manage
It is
things.
very difficult to manage. You have to go to work or any other place. So in wet place, it becomes very hard for you.
Okay, what do you usually do when it rains?
I usually like to eat some snacks and to play indoor games. I really love indoor games playing in rainy days.
Okay, that's good, but just try to expand your answer, use a variety of words, and practice all these topics so that the answers are spontaneous and answers become fluent.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
thank you.
Thank you.
Good job.
Very kind of you, sir.